Here you can explore the difference in specifications with very detailed data.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will review a complete and detailed comparison of smartphone specifications. You can see their respective spec scores and unique features. This video can help you understand the differences, the pros and cons, and which one to buy. Therefore, it is important for you to know the different specifications of each smartphone. Here you can explore the difference in specifications with very detailed data. Final results are based on numbers and specifications only. Please comment below and let me know which one you like the most.